My name's Emmy Oakes, and today I'm going to show you how to check your pulse. People commonly check their pulse on their wrist and neck. The pulse can be felt anywhere as close as the artery runs to the skin. You use 2 fingers to apply slight pressure to the site, and you should be able to feel the pulse. When you find the pulse, you count the number of beats for a minute, or you can count 30 seconds and multiply by 2, or you can count your beats for 15 seconds and multiply by 4. The first is the wrist. You take your 2 fingers and you run your fingers along the inside of your thumb to about right here below, about an inch below your wrist line. And you apply pressure. This is the position of the artery that runs from your heart to your hands. And you count here, you take your thumb underneath back here and you hold like this and you apply pressure. And you count for a minute or 30 seconds. Secondly, this is my favorite one. I like to do this one. You apply pressure with your fingers just underneath your jaw, in the back of your jaw. And this one's like almost the easiest one to find. That is the location of the artery sending blood from your heart to your head and your brain. These two, the wrist and the neck, are both easy access arteries for the pulse. Next is the knee. You apply pressure with your fingers behind the knee. This one's hard to do, so I don't like to do this one. It's a very difficult location to find, which is about, you find your knee and you go right here and you hold here, like that. The fourth is the groin area. It's apply pressure where the leg meets the pelvis, about right here. This one is difficult to do with the amount of muscle and fat tissue that there is in that area. Then we have my second favorite, which is the temple right here. You apply pressure firmly to the side and behind the eye, which is the softest point on your head. That's also one of the easiest locations to do also. Then we have the foot, which you apply pressure along the top of the foot and on the inner side of the foot, which is underneath the part you walk on. Pressing against bones in the foot should reveal your pulse rate. And lastly, we have the elbow right here. You test your pulse rate on the inside bend of the elbow. You fully extend your arm and feel the inside bend close to your body, which is you put right here, and then the thumb on the back of the elbow. And that's the 7 ways to check your pulse.